When we discovered that quality videos could bring the world of boats to life in a close-up, intimate way, we created Off-Center Harbor to bring you inside this magnificent world. There are over 800 videos on the website now, from small boats to schooners, and everything in between. The videos are filled with world-class instruction and many of the best classic boats in the world. So here are a few highlights to give you an idea of what you'll find inside the world of Off-Center Harbor. It's one thing to see all these beautiful boats on the water, but we actually bring you aboard for visits with their owners, so you get an insider tour of what these boats are really like. Our filmmaking crew travels the globe to bring you aboard all these boats without you ever having to leave the comfort of your favorite chair.
Every time I leave under sail and feel that first puff of wind start to move that boat, it is the closest thing to magic that I can possibly imagine. I never get tired of that.
You'll get to go inside the shops of masters from around the world as they share their knowledge and decades of experience. You'll learn how to trim your sails from one of the top sailmakers in the world, how to paint your boat, how to service and troubleshoot your outboard and diesel engines, and even how to master using epoxy. The videos show you how to row, sail, scull, and even how to roll a small boat. Ever wonder about the best way to dock your boat? And how not to tie your dinghy to the dock? You'll learn the 7 best knots to use on boats, and how to anchor your boat with the one anchor that works best in most conditions. It's not the one you think. How about navigation? Would you like to get a course on navigation by a top professional instructor? The list of topics in the instructional videos is almost endless. When you're ready to build a boat of your own, we have 5 boat building courses that show you every step. In these courses, you'll get one-on-one instruction on how to build 5 of the best boats we know of, including a kayak, a sailing dinghy, a traditional skiff, a sail-in or camp cruiser, and a beautiful weekend power cruiser. All the instructors are top professional boat builders, and they take you step by step from setting up your shop to getting the right tools, all the way through rigging and sailing your new boat. If camp cruising a beautiful coastline is on your bucket list, we'll walk you through the best boats for camp cruising and a complete gear list for outfitting your boat. Then we'll take you on a camp cruising adventure and show you how to recover your boat if you capsize. We love surprising everyone with totally unexpected topics. We call it going off center. Whether it's understanding the natural world around our boats or crazy side projects we stumble upon, you just never know what you're gonna get. You won't see any annoying ads on Off-Center Harbor because we don't accept any advertising on this website. So you can be 100% certain you're getting the truth from top pros that isn't watered down out of fear of what advertisers might think. This is a world of boats, and people, and knowledge that we feel lucky to be a part of. So a lot of what we do is about passing all these skills and boats along to the next generation.
And you want to grab those oars over the top. Let me see your hand. Like that. Okay? And then there you go. Flip your hand over just like that.
We're on a mission here at Off-Center Harbor to help the world of classic boats thrive and grow for many generations to come. Just click the button and we'll see you inside.